Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can make invisible every backward faces. If I turn on face orientation, you can see red color means this is backward side and blue color is forward side. I have square here without his top and I will show you how to make red colors invisible. In solid mode, just click on this little arrow up here and turn on Backface culling. I will turn off face orientation. Now you can see every backwards face is now invisible. I can see through object. But if I go to material, preview or rendered, nothing changed. If you wanna turn on over here, you have to go select object, then go to material properties, add new material if you don't have one, and in settings turn on backface culling. Now it changed over here. This is just some light problem. So this is how you can make invisible every backward side on object. See my next short tutorials and thanks for watching.